Installation of CISS on Epson Stylus SX535 multifunctional device. Place the CISS on the left side of the all-in-one and straighten the ink tube. Remove the small plugs and carefully place air filters instead. This is working state of the CISS. Make sure you keep the plugs for further transportation of the printer with installed CISS. Plug in the multifunctional device to the electric network and turn it on. Choose the language. Open lid of the device. After the cartridge is in change cartridge position, power off the printer by pulling the power cable out of the socket. If the printer had been already used, prior to CISS installation, pull the cartridges out of the cartridge following the manual. Using a blade screwdriver, remove the cover of cartridge chamber by placing the screwdriver in between the cover and cartridge. Move the clip rightwards till you are able to pull it out and then remove it. Clip breakage does not influence printer's workability. Make sure the order of colors on the cartridge block matches the order of color stick on the all-in-one's case. Place the block of cartridges into the cartridge. Move the cartridge in such position so that you can hold it with both hands and carefully press the cartridge down until they click in. Check all the 4 latches. Fixate the bracket and fix the ink tube in it. Move the cartridge into the extreme left position, then into the extreme right position. Make sure the ink tube has no twists and doesn't interfere with the cartridge movement. Power the printing device up and turn it on. When the notification that cartridge change requires appears on the all-in-one's display, carry out the ink resetting procedure by keeping the zeroing button situated above the cartridges pressed for 5-7 seconds. Deactivate the open cover sensor by setting a piece of foam into it. In several minutes, the all-in-one will be ready to work. The ink tank must be placed on the same level with the printer, not higher nor lower it. Proceed with test page printing. Make sure the printer is connected to the computer and there is a paper in the input tray. Go to Start, Devices and Printers, click the right mouse button on the printer icon and select Printing Preferences. Maintenance. Nozzle check. Press Print button. Have a good printing.